Rahubat family. So this is lesson 4 in the nine-ether science. Um, it's been customary that I actually read the slide and then read off the questions to give you guys sort of a idea of the types of questions that um, are being asked and can be answered from the same information within inside of the slide, as well as to actually extract certain key factors or certain key points to give you guys the ability that when you go to do your research on various different things, you'll pretty much have a reference point. So it says, consciousness is a substance that first manifests as subatomic particles that form atoms that vibrate on various levels and is perceived by our senses as objects and forms. The subatomic particles manifested by the vibration of the substance called consciousness are what create an object's shape, size, form, color, and level of awareness. Inanimate objects only describe the form of consciousness in which the vibrating atomic particles themselves are programmed in their arrangement for the responsibility of the object or form's life cycle process. The object or form is limited to this form of consciousness. Animated objects are only describing the form of consciousness in which the subatomic particles create visible moving animation or self-regulatory processes as plants that are viewed as complex and self-performed as animals. Humans are an animate life form in which subatomic particles are arranged to have soul consciousness, which is an observed form of deliberate, complex psychological processes resulting in conscious awareness and conscious moral judgment. In conclusion, when consciousness itself creates an object or form from subatomic particles and atoms, the vibratory level of the atoms and their arrangement will dictate whether the level of consciousness can perform complex psychological and behavioral processes deliberately, or whether it is the atomic particles themselves, which by nature contains the information themselves to dictate the object or form's existence and its function. Read the above paragraphs, which are numbered 19 through 24, and answer the following questions concerning the information. Question 1. What does the word inanimate describe about an object? Question 2. What does the word animate describe? Question 3. What creates an object's shape, size, etc.? Question 4. What will the vibratory level of atoms dictate? Question 5. What type of life form are humans? Question 6. What are atomic particles programmed to do themselves in inanimate objects?